It's Academy Awards time, and to celebrate, we're doing a photo walk in Hollywood, taking a look at some of the films set in Hollywood and where to get your selfies in front of those locations. Let's start off with doing a countdown, starting with the old Grauman's Chinese Theater. You remember the Chinese Theater seen in Singin' in the Rain and many other films. For premieres, it's now called the TCL. Now let's go down the street to Griffith Park in the Griffith Observatory, immortalized by James Dean in Rebel Without a Cause and La La Land. Speaking of Mia and Seb, who can forget their Angels Flight ride in downtown Los Angeles on the Angels Flight funicular? In Sunset Boulevard, William Holden drove through these arches every morning at Paramount Studios. Jonesy, get the gate. The Bradbury Building in downtown LA was the setting for the Blade Runner. While up the street is Union Station, seen in one of the Batman movies, The Dark Knight Rises. The gang from Mulholland Drive ate at Pink's Hot Dogs on La Brea. Steve Martin used the Los Angeles County Museum of Art as his backdrop for LA Story, and in LA Confidential, one of the offices was here at the crossroads of the world on Sunset Boulevard. In Beverly Hills, Julia Roberts immortalized the Beverly Wilshire Hotel in the movie Pretty Woman. In the movie version about the Doors, much of it was set naturally in Venice, once home to the iconic rock group. Okay, so we're talking Hollywood in the movies. We of course have to end up here at Musso and Frank's Grill, the oldest restaurant in Hollywood, right here on Hollywood Boulevard, over 100 years old. Film scene, Ed Wood, the encounter between the director and Orson Welles. Is it worth it? It is when it works. And that's our photo walk in Hollywood, looking at film locations from some of our favorite Tinseltown movies, and of course your selfie moments. If you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment, please subscribe. Please stay tuned for more videos. We have several other Hollywood-based photo walks for you to watch: how to shoot the Hollywood sign, where to get the best shots on the Hollywood Walk of Fame, and of course my favorite, LA in the rain. Stay tuned. I'm Jefferson Graham. Thanks for watching.